I think today's the, let's see, 16th. It is so cold outside today. I don't know what has happened, but this weekend, even though it was like rainy, it was, I think the lowest it ever was this weekend was 70. And today it's 30 degrees. I feel a lot better than what I thought I would today, but I still feel super rough. It took me a long time to get out of the bed this morning. I'm gonna edit. There's a couple things I want to get done today as far as cleaning and kind of organizing go. I really was hoping it was gonna be warm today and I was gonna clean one of the sides of the not houses, like not multiple houses, just our house. But I wanna kind of go over our pantry again and organize that a little bit better, and then clean up our bathroom cabinets as well. Okay, so I just started another load of laundry, as you guys saw, but I just remembered the other thing that I was like, oh yeah, that could be a fun project for today. So my vanity is upstairs and it has all of my makeup in it, and that's just kind of like how I'm used to doing my makeup, is sitting in my vanity like that. My filming room for YouTube is downstairs. I haven't filmed anything in it because we just don't have it set up yet. Anyways, so I was thinking actually I'm gonna take all of my makeup downstairs, which we did discuss when we moved in, if I wanted to just put my vanity downstairs. I like my vanity upstairs though because all of our wood furniture came from my house, so it all matches. I bought everything and like just funny enough worked out that it matched. Anyways, all of this is just to say I've kind of been struggling doing my makeup upstairs, only because if Dustin is not getting up for the day, like that rarely happens that I get up before him and I have to get ready and leave before he leaves or something. While Dustin is sleeping and I'm like doing my makeup, I'm literally like not even breathing to try not to wake him up, but I have to turn my lights on over at my vanity and everything like that. And so anyways, I've just been thinking it would be so much easier to move all my makeup downstairs into my filming room, and then in the mornings when I get up, come downstairs, fix my coffee, go downstairs and get ready down there. Like I feel so bad to make noise while he's sleeping. I think I'm gonna try that today. I don't feel like, if I'm being honest with you guys, doing anything physical except laying down on the sofa, but I'm gonna take some medicine and see if that'll kick in and help me a little bit. I'm thinking about having another cup of coffee, but I'm also debating trying to make iced matcha here at the house, which I don't think that I should have iced matcha and coffee like back to back all day long. So we'll see. Right now, I think I'm going to make this soup that has sounded so good to me recently. It is slow cooker wild rice vegetable soup. I'll put the Pinterest recipe link in the down bar. It has wild rice, butternut squash, kale, white beans, celery. I have some of that in the fridge, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then this is the ingredient that calls for 1 bay leaf in it while it cooks. And you guys were telling me that makes soups and whatever you're making so much more flavorful, so I'm really excited to try that. Then it's just vegetable broth and kale. Okay, I have now decided I am going to try my iced matcha. That just sounds so good to me. I'm gonna let you guys know, I've never used our blender before and I'm really anxious about it. So, hopefully it goes good. Another update for you guys. I was cleaning my blender and noticed that the blades were not as sharp as I thought they were. And I was like, that's weird. And I was drying it off. They are as sharp as I thought they were. My finger has been pouring blood and finally stopped, but it's like blue and black around it. Is that normal? This is like the worst day ever. Okay, I'm over myself a little bit now that I have spent a long time crying. Here, everything is finished. I just added in the kale. I'm not gonna do quite as much as it calls for, I don't think, just because I was about 1.5 cups short on broth and I don't want it to be too unsoupy. So I'm gonna fix myself a bowl of this, see if this helps me feel any better. I also have to clarify, I wasn't crying because that hurt when it did really bad. I was crying because I was doing something like let's try an iced matcha. And I had never done that and just wanted a little treat since I don't feel good. And then that happened and I was like, why? Oh, up there. Is this a good angle? Just kidding. I'm in my bathroom now. I'm gonna clean out under my side of the sink, which I'm gonna show you guys, but it's really embarrassing just because I've been like throwing stuff in here and it's just gotten really bad really quick. But I had to tell you guys before I like started this little montage of cleaning, I heard our mail person come, and I'm not expecting anything like package wise or even really super mail wise except for a few things, but I heard him stop his car, like he put our mail in our mailbox and stopped his little truck at our driveway. So I was like, oh, I wonder like what he's bringing. And so I looked out my window and I'm like looking at the box trying to figure out like, did I order something? Should something be coming in the mail for me? And I'm like looking, and then when I go to the door, like waiting for him to like knock or ring the doorbell, he literally threw that package like from our walkway to our porch and then turned around, walked back to his car, like leisurely got another box out, walked it like a couple houses down. Like I guess he forgot to give them theirs, which let me tell you why this is a little bit alarming to me. I almost always have had very friendly mail people at my parents' house. Probably about a week ago, I went and got the mail and there was this like welcome package of vendors and such nearby that sent us coupons, but they weren't really coupons. They were like, sign up for a wine membership and get $100 off when the wine membership is like $10,000. You know, those kind of like fake thing. We had this whole little package of those kind of coupons, or just people being like, hey, we're in your area, whatever. Welcome to the neighborhood. That was fine, except when I got out of the mailbox, I was like, man, they were really rough with this package. And it was like a really thick piece of mail. So I turned it over and noticed it literally looked like someone stuck their finger in it and like opened the whole thing and like had gone through it. So I was like, that's weird. When we got home 2 nights ago, our neighbor across the street yelled at us and he was like, hey, have you guys gotten your mail lately? Because I just got mine and I have mail that's open, like it's a bill and it's open. Like, who do you report him to? Do you just call USPS or what do you do? Look at this big thing I have to tackle. Okay, it doesn't look that different, but it's because I'm taking this whole thing right there out with me. So if you guys are interested at all in how this is storaged, this is all of, that's actually a body wash, but this is lotions and perfumes. And over here I have my favorite toner, which I'm so happy that I came down here and saw that I had an extra one because I'm getting close to running out and I was like, oh, I gotta go get another one. Apple cider vinegar, because you actually mix that with this, which I've only used 2 times, but I'm gonna use it again today, I think. Then I have all of my sun stuffs, and then I have, this is one of my favorites, I told you guys about this a long time ago, I have the daytime and nighttime. This was organized really good at my parents' house because my entire like under cabinet storage at my parents' house was like this much, so I had to really condense everything. But I tried to take the labels off when I first moved in to relabel things, and they would not come off. But basically I have all my contact and eye stuff in here. I have anything for teeth in here, and then I, in the top, have some like facial stuff, so like pore strips and all my extra razors. Alright, we're in it now. I have everything off of my vanity, and we're about to start this. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but this is a silly thing to admit. It took me so long to be able to like afford and buy all of the makeup stuff that I want, that I'm really bad about hoarding it, and even if something is empty, like I don't like to throw it away because it took me a long time to be able to get it. So today I'm like, no mercy. If I don't use it, I'm giving it to someone else, and if it's empty, I'm throwing it away. Since I haven't done a house tour, I'm going to show you guys like coming down the stairs. So I feel like these stairs, because they're carpeted, are really funny. Some are like bigger than the other, and a lot of people almost fall down them. It's my makeup room. So here's the desk I'm talking about. Do you guys love this desk? I don't know why, I just love it so much. I'm not gonna keep my camera going just for this second, only because my camera battery is low, my charger is upstairs, and I'm like trying to push through. Okay, I think I'm done for today. And I think my final vote on Instagram was that you guys wanted to see everything today, but I obviously didn't do that. So I'm gonna give you a little overview. Everything's not completely set up the way that I want it, but I tried to keep out my eye palettes, and then I just put one of my face palettes because this one does not fit anywhere. And then more eye and my eyebrow palettes. And then that's all my lip stuff and face primers. And then this is all of my concealers and foundations. And then this is like eyeliners and my mascara. And then over here, I did eyebrow stuff. This is like tools, so just my pencil sharpeners and my face razors and stuff. My primers. This is blushes and some bronzers. Blushes and some bronzers. And then that's all my ColourPop stuff again. And then down here, I just have face stuff like lotion and everything. I have a couple more palettes that wouldn't fit up on top, so these are like highlight palettes and everything like that. And then down here, I just have more face powders. Okay, you guys, I am not gonna bring you along because it is dark outside. I don't think you'll be able to see us, but we're going right now to Target. I ordered a chair for downstairs that was on sale, and we have a gift card still to use, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get a first aid kit too to doctor up my finger. Hey guys, this is gonna be a really quick outro, but I wanted to let you know, leave me questions. Me and Dustin are going to do a newlywed Q&A. Any questions that you guys have at all about living together or anything at all, ask it and we'll be answering it. Thanks for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.